Here's a 2016 Jaguar XF. Every detail of this luxury sedan is the very definition of outstanding quality and craftsmanship. The interior is roomy and evokes an atmosphere of elegance. On the outside, this XF looks like an exciting thrill ride. Bring the 3-liter supercharged V6 engine to life and you will realize that this XF doesn't just look thrilling, it is. Jaguar Drive Control enables you to customize your driving experience and unlock this XF's full performance potential. The rear-view camera, all-surface progress control, and In-Control Protect inspires confidence in every situation. You deserve a car that is as assertive as you are. Make this Jaguar XF yours today.
At Jaguar Land Rover of Cary, our certified sales professionals are the most highly trained service technicians in the industry. We're conveniently located at 700 Auto Park Boulevard.